Mama was a pill-popping, pretty little number tending bar at the Quality Inn. Every single day she was upping the stakes to a game that nobody could win. Her kids would stay the night with the neighbors. Mama wouldn't be home until later. We heard she was turning tricks for paper. That was just another Tuesday night in those trailers. White trash, roots running deeper out of sea. Pain, pills turned to needles. The things I've done to numb these feelings is something that you can't outrun. I've seen men fall in love with the powder. I ain't kidding, y'all. I've seen fentanyl sneak in the deep end and sink in and then you die. I learned early that that's life. I seen dreams turn to ash at the end of a glass pipe. White trash, roots running deeper out of sea. Pain, pills turn to needles. The things I've done to numb these feelings is something that you can't outrun.
Overdose that left me down and broke. I had to hit the bottle. Had an alcoholic uncle addicted to crack. I looked back and I had to hit the bottle. When mama got back on that powder, I could see in her eyes she was hollow. Baby girl was just doing the best she knew how to do, raising a son with no father. Going deeper, I won't even bother. Taking medicine, hold it and swallow. But I can't sit and ride like the center blocks underneath this old broken Impala. In the front yard out there with the dogs, pushing up the weight but wasn't the weight bench. When Jelly was picking up calls, back in Antioch and taking a major risk. I was in Alabama at the trailer park, banging my head on the wall. Before I could buy my little girl a doll, before Eminem ever gave me a car. I had that feeling that you have, but I hit that roof and a light flash. Look around, sit down and write that. And Yellow Wolf took off on white trash.
White trash, roots running deeper out of sea. Pain, pills turn to needles. The things I've done to numb these feelings is something that you can't outrun.
It's not
keep going, keep going, keep going!
Send it, Johnny!
Hey!
No, it's hollow, look, there's nothing going through it.
Hold it! Hold it!
Hold it! Hold it!
This is for that good old boy who's knee deep in that concrete, working 60 hours cause he's saving for a diamond ring. This is for that single mom that's working on a double shift, cleaning off a plate so she can feel the one to feed her kids. Oh, you only get it if you know. And I know I work my fingers to the bone till I ain't got nothing left. I earned everything I own, signed my name with blood and sweat. And it goes one time if your boots get muddy, two times if your truck ain't clean, three times if you're just like me. This one's for the home team. This one's for the home team. If your dugout is a dive bar and your pocket's full of dirt, you got your boss's number on the backside of your shirt. Come in, grand slam 'em down till your back doesn't hurt. Most folks only see the worst, but I'm proud. I work my fingers to the bone till I ain't got nothing left. I earned everything I own, signed my name with blood and sweat. And it goes 1 time if your boots get muddy, 2 times if your truck ain't clean, 3 times if you're just like me. This one's for the home team. This one's for the home team. Put 'em up if you're just like me. This one's for the home team. Oh, you only get it if you know. I work my fingers to the bone till I ain't got nothing left. I earned everything I own, signed my name with blood and sweat. And it goes 1 time if your boots get muddy, 2 times if your truck ain't clean, 3 times if you're just like me. This one's for the home team. This one's for the home team. Put 'em up if you're just like me. This one's for the home team.
Well done.
Keep jogging.
Red, baby!